So hello my students. So today I have just made this video to help you to log in if you are using this platform for the first time. So if you have a laptop or a desktop at home, it's very good, and you can just type the URL and the login ID and password and login. Now please remember, you have received all your credential details on the very same day when you had signed up, right? So their automated mail had reached your inbox wherein all these details were already there. So you just have to put the same user ID over here, password over here, and you can log in. Now, please do not worry if you don't have a laptop or a desktop. In that case, you can download the Smart Training Hub mobile app, all right? That is from Android Play Store. And you can use that as well. So that application will not only help you to join the video conferencing or the webinar with your tutor, but that app will also help you to submit the assessments or assignments which your teacher must have scheduled for you. All right. Now, let me log into the platform and show you in details how you can join the webinar if you are using this webinar option or, learning management system for the first time. So you have to click on login. Once you have logged in successfully, it is going to take you to the dashboard. That is the student dashboard wherein you can find your details. And in the very first page, you can find the details of the webinar which has been scheduled by your teacher. All right. Now you can join from here as well. But since you are using this for the first time, all right, so first you have to click on join as attendee. Now, when you have already clicked on join as attendee, right, this is going to take you to a page wherein you have to download the Zoom application for the first time. Now, since you are a first time user, or rather if you are a first time user, wherein you have never used Zoom, only then you have to download the Zoom application. If you already have installed the Zoom application for whatsoever purpose, you as a student, if you have used, or maybe if your parents have used Zoom for some reason, in that case, you do not have to install it all over again. All right. So once, and please do not do it. In that case, you will have error if you have downloaded Zoom twice in your system. So only once you have to download the Zoom application. Okay. Now you can see over here that is download Zoom application for Windows or download Zoom application for Mac. Now, whichever system you are using, please download that. If you are using Windows, then you have to click over here and then you have to install this application. You just have to run this application and finish, and then, that is done once and for all. It does not have to be repeated every day. Please remember that. Now, please check the webinar schedules. All right. If the webinar which is scheduled today as on right now, please click on that. So the moment you will click on join webinar, you will directly join the tutor and you can enjoy the classes. Maybe again, the next you can join over here. So the schedule would completely come up over here. You can see right here, 3 webinars, upcoming webinars can be seen over here, and the duration can also be seen. Okay. So this is how you can join the webinar. It is very simple, and it's just a click away. Please do not get tensed at all, even if you have not used a learning management system before. But even then, if you face any problem, right, please feel free to write to us, where again, let me tell you, that is sthsupport@orionedutech.com. Or if you want to call us, please feel free to call us at this number 70036122247. Okay, so please feel free to write to us at sthsupport@orionedutech.com. right? And if you don't have time to write a mail, you can also call us at 70036-12247. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and I welcome you all to Smart Teaching Hub. All right, I'm sure you're going to have a lovely journey with us and with our brilliant tutors. Thanks a lot.